Good day everyone. So for today, I will show you how to solve the internal energy. So for our example number 1, calculate the change in the internal energy of a system if 300 joules of heat energy is absorbed by the system and 400 joules of work is done on the system. So kailangan alam nyo kung paano na-flow yung heat doon ba sa system or doon sa surroundings, and kung paano naman or kung sino yung gumagawa ng work sa ating question. So, dito sa ating example number 1, kung inyong i-analyze yung question, ang sabi dyan, 300 joules of heat energy is absorbed by the system. So, pag ang system ay nag-absorb ng heat, ibig sabihin ang sign ng ating Q ay positive. And then, sabi naman doon, if 400 joules of work is done on the system. So, meaning, yung work ay ginawa ng surroundings papunta doon sa system. So, ang ating 400 joules of work ay positive ulit. So, ito yung ating given. Yung ating heat is yung Q, which is yung 300 joules. Positive siya kasi ang heat ay inabsorb ng system. Yung ating work naman is 400 joules. Positive siya kasi siya ay ginawa ng surroundings papunta sa system. So, yung ating formula na internal energy is equal to Q plus W. Substitute lang natin yung ating given. 300 joules plus 400 joules. So, 300 plus 400 is equal to 700 joules. Yan yung ating internal energy. Okay, next. For number 2, the system releases 700 joules of heat energy and 300 joules of work is done by the system. Calculate the change in the internal energy of the system. So, dito naman sa ating example number 2, kung mapapansin ninyo, yung system ay nag-release. So, pag sinabing release, ang ating sign for 700 joules ay negative. And, yung 300 joules of work is done by the system. So, meaning, ang work ay ginawa ng system. Kapag ang work ang ginawa ng system, ang sign natin ay negative din. Okay. So, doon sa ating heat, negative 700 joules kasi system release 700 joules of heat. Work is done by the system, so meaning ang ating 300 joules ay negative. So, ang ating internal energy ay ganito ang pagkakasulat. Negative 700 joules plus negative 300 joules. So, negative 700 plus negative 300 joules is equal to negative 1,000 joules. Okay, next, number 3. How much work is performed by a gas as it expands from 25 liters to 40 liters against a constant external pressure of 2.5 atm? So, sa example number 3 na ito, papasok yung ating formula na work is equal to negative P change in volume. Yung ating PV work. Ito yung ating mga given. Yung ating initial volume is 25 liters. Final volume is 40 liters. Pressure natin ay 2.5 atm. So, yung ating formula for this given is W is equal to negative P delta V. Wherein delta V is equal to final volume minus initial volume. So, i-substitute na natin lahat ng ating given. Negative 2.5 atm multiplied by 40 liters kasi yun ang ating final minus initial 25 liters. So, 40 minus 25 15. 15 liters times 2.5. Um, 37.5. May negative tayo. So, magiging negative 37.5. After nyan, hindi pa yan tapos kasi ang ating unit is nakaliter times ATM pa. So, ang gagawin natin para maging joules yung ating unit kasi ang work natin ay joules ang unit niya. I-multiply natin ito sa 101.3 joules. Kasi ang isang liter times ATM, may katumbas siya na 101.3 joules. So, multiply natin sa 101.3 joules over 1 liter dot ATM. Cancel natin to. Negative 37.5 times 101.3 divided by 1. Okay, so ang answer natin sa number 3 ay negative 3,798.75 joules. Bakit joules? Kasi lang naman natira. Na-cancel na natin tong dalawa. Okay, next. Example number 4. 500 joules of heat energy was absorbed from the surroundings and the gas expanded from 30 liters to 70 liters against a constant pressure of 2.8 atm. Calculate the internal energy in joules. So, ang una natin gagawin, ang nawawala dito ay yung work. Kasi may given tayo dito na 500 joules of heat energy. So, sa number 4, ang hinahanap natin is yung internal energy. Para makuha ang internal energy, kailangan natin ipag-plus ang Q at W. Tama po. Pero dahil Q lang ang given natin, ang missing din natin ay yung W. So, paano makuha ang W? Meron tayo ditong given na initial volume, final volume, tsaka yung pressure. So, meaning, gagamitin natin yung ating formula na W is equal to pressure delta V para makuha yung work. Kapag nakuha natin yung work, pwede na natin isolve yung internal energy. So, unahin muna natin tong formula na to. W is equal to negative 2.8 atm multiplied by 70 liters, yun ang ating yung final volume, minus 30 liters, 70 minus 30 is 40 liters, 40 times 2.8, 112 times negative, magiging negative 112 liter dot atm. Multiply natin sa 101.3 joules over 1 liter dot atm. Okay, so yung ating work ay negative 11,345.6 joules. Yun yung ating work. So, dahil may work na tayo, pwede na nating isolve yung ating internal energy. Internal energy is equal to 500 joules. Positive siya dahil ang sabi dun sa ating question ay absorb from the surroundings. So, meaning ang nag-absorb ay yung system. Kasi from the surroundings. So, 500 joules plus negative 11,000 345.6. So, yung ating internal energy ay 10,000 or negative 10,845.6 joules.